Let me show you how you can be saving your software files as a backup. I know some of you have been seeing GitHub, but you don't know the use of GitHub probably. This is my browser. Normally I use Explorer, by the way. So you just Google GitHub. GitHub is just like a Google Drive. But as a programmer, we use GitHub, not Google Drive. You know what Google Drive is? Where you, what is it called, store every information here. So GitHub is just like that. You create account. Me, I already have account. So if I should click here now, it will take me to my account directly. This is my home. Yes, it will show some of the project file that I have done already. This is my account. You see, this is, I use Python, so it's showing Python fundamental. So there is what they call GitHub and there is what they call Git Bash. Git Bash is what you need as a system. You can just Google it, Git Bash. This Git Bash now is an application software. You see around this place, download. You just click here and download. Me, I have downloaded mine already, so I'll just come to my search button, click on Git Bash. Git Bash works with what is it called? Works with VS. Some of you that is using VS, I know some programmers uses what is it called, Cargo, but me, I'm using VS. You understand? So this is VS now. You see it. I want to list all the proper applications on my desktop. I just go by this way. Desktop. So it's showing all the program on my desktop. So that is how it works. If I want to maybe like go to my VS from here, I can pwd and enter. Then you do my what is it called, dash. It will go to my what is it called, see it has gone to my VS background already, but mine is already opened. So I will just continue from where I just want to teach you how you can push your code as a developer. You are developing, maybe you don't want your system, when your system crash or get missed, you can easily go back to your git bash to what is it called, to take it back. Let me run this program first. This is a program I just developed. Let me run it first. Okay, it's running now. This is running on Python. So if I want to push to git bash now, because I have installed the application already, to be showing on my VS code. So I'll click on my VS code. This is my I'll click on my git bash, not VS code. Click on my git bash. As you can see, you say git status. You enter. So it will show you the folder of where your files is that you are pushing to git bash. So now this is where my folder is. This is where my file is. This is my folder name 0x01. You understand me now? So I will now say git add will be 0x01. I will enter. Then it will tell me git commit hyphen m, then the file name, which is your 0x01. See it has just pushed to my what is it called, to my git bash account. So if I go to my git back now, remember the folder name where my file is. These are my files here. This is my folder here. So now when I go to my git bash now, I will see everything that I pushed. This is my git bash account. So I want to refresh now. Let me refresh it. I just finished refreshing it now. Just finish refreshing it. Python fundamental. What do you see here? 00x00. You've seen it, right? So that is how to use a git bash. So I can now go back to my VS Code. Thank you.